Nothing can be more frustrating when you've got an important document, but the text is just not clear. But worry not. In this video, we'll show you an easy and fast way to fix that issue, making blurry text images readable once and for all. The method we are using is HitPaw Photo Enhancer. It is a professional AI-powered software which can turn low-quality image to crisp 4K, even 8K images. So it also has the ability to enhance text images. What we want to do is import the text images into HitPaw Photo Enhancer. Then choose Denoise model as it works best from my experience. This model is ideal for removing noise and enhancing cartoon images. You may also try other models if you like. Check out our other videos for more tutorials on upscaling images. Next, we want to choose the desired resolution. The higher the value, the better the quality. 400% would be enough. Click on Preview to check the result. Here is a side-by-side comparison between before and after. We can easily tell that the original blurry text has been enhanced to clear and readable text. That is big improvement. What's more, considering you have dozens of blurry papers or text images, HitPaw Photo Enhancer can bulk enhance them immediately without wasting your time. All we need to do is import all the images. Assign Denoise model for one image, then click on Apply Current Settings for all. Now all the texts will get enhanced. And we just need to click on the Export button to save these images on PC. Easy and fast. Alright, if this method helps, please don't forget like and share it so that more people can know the way. We will also put the official link of HitPaw Photo Enhancer in the description. Hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned with our channel to get more useful multimedia tools and contents. See you soon!